DevOps is a way to work that finds the best methods for software development, testing, and support. It helps companies manage software creation. They can use tools, test programs, and boost productivity and speed. DevOps highlights important tasks like continuous integration and continuous deployment. These tasks are essential for DevOps engineers to perform. Many companies value DevOps. They encourage employees to take DevOps courses. This helps them use these methods in their daily work. In the past, development, testing, and support teams worked alone. This led to gaps in communication and confusion about who was responsible for what. These problems often led to mistakes, delays, and unhappy customers. The DevOps approach and DevOps engineers help solve these problems. They bring teams together and make work more efficient. What is a DevOps engineer? A DevOps engineer helps keep a company's technology running smoothly. They help developers manage and update software. They also work with IT teams to ensure systems run smoothly. A DevOps engineer needs to understand software development and computer systems for success. Businesses are using more technology, so DevOps engineers are key now. Companies need people who can enhance their tech systems and boost efficiency. If you enjoy technology and teamwork, consider becoming a DevOps engineer. DevOps engineer job description. A DevOps engineer plays an important role in making sure a project is successful. They assist with many tasks. This includes planning and supporting important goals. These goals focus on keeping customers happy and boosting productivity. A DevOps engineer connects various parts of a project. This includes planning, building, testing, launching, and supporting the product. DevOps engineers know a lot about technology and how IT systems work. They should also know about automation tools. These tools speed up tasks and simplify testing through automatic processes. If this job interests you and you want to be a DevOps engineer, learn about the role step by step. This helps you understand what the job requires and what skills you may need to improve. A DevOps career guide can help you get started. It explains how to start a career as a DevOps engineer. You'll learn about the technology and skills required for success. DevOps engineer job description, roles and responsibilities. A DevOps engineer has both technical and management responsibilities. They need strong communication and teamwork skills. This helps different parts of a project work together smoothly. It also ensures the final results meet customer expectations. DevOps engineers must be adaptable. They handle technical tasks and manage operations at once. Here are some key responsibilities of a DevOps engineer: understanding what the customer needs and knowing the project's goals, KPIs. Using different tools for software development, testing, automation, and managing IT systems. Planning team activities and helping with project management tasks. Working with stakeholders, people involved in the project, and outside teams. Setting up tools and systems needed for the project. Creating processes for developing, testing, releasing, updating, and supporting software. Reviewing and checking the software code to make sure it's correct. Finding and fixing bugs or problems in the software. Essential skills for a DevOps engineer. A DevOps engineer has to be skilled in software development and operations. This mix helps them manage and support systems effectively. Students in computer science or technology can learn skills to become DevOps engineers. Skills for managing operations often come from work experience or special courses. These help build a career in this field. Important skills for a DevOps engineer include experience with Linux systems, which are commonly used in IT. Good knowledge of programming languages like Ruby, Python, Perl, and Java. Setting up and managing databases such as MySQL and MongoDB. Strong problem-solving skills to find and fix technical issues quickly. Tools and technologies used by DevOps engineers. DevOps engineers link development and operations teams. This makes it easier for them to collaborate. They aim to boost teamwork, automate tasks, and ensure smooth software delivery. They use various tools and technologies to speed up processes and boost productivity. Here are some key tools DevOps engineers use in their daily work. 1. Version control systems, VCS Git, SVN, Subversion, and Mercurial are tools that help teams keep track of code changes. These tools help developers collaborate, track updates, and view change history. Git is popular for several reasons. Second, it supports branching. Lastly, it makes code management easy. 2. Continuous integration. C tools automatically merge code changes from different developers into a single system. This helps catch errors early. Popular C tools include Jenkins, Travis C, Circle C, and GitLab C/CD. They assist with automatic building, testing, and code checks. This ensures the software runs smoothly. 3. Configuration management tools. These tools help DevOps engineers set up, manage, and control IT systems automatically. Examples include Ansible, Puppet, Chef, and SaltStack. Teams can write code that shows how systems should work. This helps keep everything consistent and organized. 4. Containerization platforms. Tools like Docker and Kubernetes have changed how software is packaged and run. Containers hold everything an application needs to work, so it runs the same way no matter where it's used. Kubernetes manages containers. It helps organize, scale, and keep apps running smoothly. Choose the right DevOps program for you. This table compares different DevOps programs offered by iCertGlobal. It shows key details, such as the course duration, skills you'll learn, and added benefits. This information will help you choose the course that fits your needs the best. DevOps training and skill development. At iCertGlobal, we have comprehensive DevOps training programs. These programs help aspiring engineers enhance their skills. iCertGlobal DevOps Engineer Master Program helps developers grasp essential DevOps concepts. You'll dive into continuous integration and continuous deployment. You'll also focus on process automation and teamwork skills. It also teaches skills for managing projects and improving support services. In this program, you'll learn to use popular DevOps tools. Tools like Git, Docker, and Jenkins will boost your skills. This knowledge will help you become a strong candidate for a DevOps engineer role. Conclusion: We engineers significantly improve how software development, testing, and operations work together. They connect development and IT operations. This helps streamline processes, boost productivity, and deliver software smoothly. Aspiring DevOps engineers can succeed in this high-demand field with iCertGlobal training. They'll gain the knowledge and skills needed for their careers.